Alright guys, so today I've come across a nice little purchase from online. Basically it's something I know you all will appreciate, so let's get to it. Alright guys, Justin White here with Justin White Photography. Blown out. Alright, so today what we actually have, I got off of Amazon. We have the Fifine? Not completely sure, but it's a 25 channel UHF wireless microphone. Alright, I knew y'all would like that. Alright, because I know my audio hasn't been the best lately. I've just gotten started also, so I mean, I think I'm progressing pretty quickly as far as getting quality to these videos. So this was a pretty nice purchase, I mean, for the price and everything. I did have to purchase a headphone adapter so that I can connect it to the camera recording now, and it goes from I think the jack in the camera is a 3.5 millimeter, so and this takes a 1 point or a quarter inch. So I got the adapter, quarter inch to 3.5. This is one of your lanyard type wireless microphones. Alright, so inside you just have a tells you about their website, a little bit of information on it. Okay, just saying they'd like to have feedback. As far as I know, this is about the best quality cheap lanyard you can get that is wireless. I mean, from what I've read and reviews and everything, this one is very good. So this is your user guide. Inside the box, inside of the box packaging. Basically, we have 2 AA's. Now this is something else that I really liked about this. Okay, I seen another one, it was a lot cheaper, and it definitely would not compare in quality. But basically, there was another one on there, and the only thing is they took those rectangular 9 volts. Yeah, there's no way to get, that I know of, a rechargeable 9 volt. All are AA's, AAA's, things of that nature. There probably are some out there, but I don't have anything that would charge them up. So I wanted to go with this because of the battery sizes. So you got 2 AA's for the actual receiver and 2 AAA's for the transceiver. What would you call that? Alright, but okay, here is our unit that sends out the signal or receives the signal from the microphone. It has a pop-up antenna. That's pretty nice. Look at that. It's cool. But as you can see, this is stable, and it's just static basically. You have an on-off switch here. But that's something else. I didn't want this just sitting there hanging or stuck into there with all this weight, because there was an adapter that would just pop into this and then pop into there. I don't want that. I want some way for it to hang so there's no way for it to get knocked and broke or anything like that, you know. I mean, this thing's just sticking out there out of the side of the camera. That's not going to be very good. Alright, so that's why I've gotten this. As you can see, has a bit of a wire there. So it'll just hang there. There's a way I can just attach it, you know, to here. And as it hangs there, there's, I could just, you know, find some way to kind of bungee it up on the tripod. So that weight isn't there on this little 1/4. And that could snap a lot easier than this could. So that's why I wanted to do it this way. Alright, so let's insert this battery. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so this pops open and up. So you slide it out. It doesn't actually come off. It's just a slides and it goes up like that. So, alright, let's insert these double A's. Alright, positive in the back. And move in the front. So you put them in, pull it out, close it down, push it in. Okay. Well, there it goes. Okay, so now in the box we have our microphone. Let's see, cord on here seems to be a good size. I think they said around 3 foot, which would be long enough to go from the wireless box up to your lapel lanyard, whatever. Ooh, man. Okay, this is very stiff. Alright, so there's the mic. As you can see, you could stick this down here. And of course, it has plenty of room. Still that much there. Have it in the back pocket. Alright. Nice. Okay. So there's that. Next, we have the box that goes on. You basically, it clips onto your belt. It's got a nice metal clip there. This material is very plasticky, but I mean, for the price, you couldn't go wrong, and the quality, from what I've read, very good quality wireless lanyard mic. That's how you, and so this is how you open it. You just got a little, stick your nail in there, pull it down. Alright, so now we're going to take these batteries, put them in here. Okay, door is secure. It's pretty nice. Alright, so you plug this to here. We're going to line up the prongs with the hose, and locks in pretty securely. That is pretty good and stiff. Okay, so next up, I guess we are going to try this out. So just give me a minute and we'll move to a different situation to where I can do some walking. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have everything set up. This is through the microphone. I also can get audio from my phone. But I have the antenna out. We're fixing to check out the range on this, see how well it does. So let's see what we can do. Let's just see what this thing can do. It said something like 64 feet. So let's just see about that. Turns out I just walked halfway around the block and realized I'm not recording. So let's do this again. Hopefully this audio sounds pretty good. I adjusted the volumes. I had to go down to like 8 as far as sensitivity in the camera. We should have a good signal. Now let's do this again. Time to walk halfway around the block and test this. So as you can see here, okay, so what happened was I made it to the end. So I be out of range of the camera now, but audio should still be picked up. Antenna out. So as you can see there, it started breaking up just as I went out of view. So you're looking at probably about half a block, maybe a quarter of a block, and it started going out on me. So it was right about at the stop sign, which is just past that garbage can and everything, about a good 15 feet past that probably. So regardless, I mean, it has pretty good range. So let's continue on with this. So here we are. I should be out of range of the camera now, but the audio should still be picking up. It said about 64 feet, which we're going to test that out. I put the antenna out. And we're going to see how far this thing will go. Basically, I'm going to use this so that I can do hands-on, like give y'all videos to where I'm out there shooting, and it's not just going to be a just a review of the shoot and everything where you just put a bunch of B-roll together. This is going to be in the moment, real time, basically just shooting, working with the model, things like that. When I do get to work with some models and stuff. At the moment, that isn't. I haven't got any around here just yet. But I'll be working with family, things like that at the moment. So basically what I'm doing, I'm building a photography business, and I have to start somewhere, and I'm going to bring y'all along for the ride. So that's what we're doing. Okay, basically, again, that's the stop sign. I've done come all the way down the road from that way, and here we are at the stop sign. Stop, heading back. Okay, now we're heading back. I done went all the way around the corner basically, and to the other side of the road. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get back because I got nobody watching after my camera over there. If the audio went out, I would dub in this audio from my phone. So, whew, out of breath. This is the second time doing this. Golly. Alright, so hopefully it lasted this whole time. If it did, then I can tell you that you're going to get amazing range on this thing. And you really probably won't be that far from your camera because I just went around the block out of view. And if it's still picking up that whole time, then yeah, you got you a good $30 mic. Lavaliere. Alright. So soon. Oh yeah. There's the stop sign I just passed. This is where I walked and everything to go. I went around that corner and on down that way. And then I'm coming back. You should be able to see me in the camera. Alright. Whew. It's been a bit of a cloudy day. This morning had a beautiful sunrise, so we usually have really good sunsets here. So, alright. YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Anyways, okay. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, follow, hit that bell over there at the side, you know, and yeah, that way you can know anytime I put on more videos, because there are more to come. You guys can follow me throughout this whole thing and me building a photography business, basically, from zilch to whatever I become. So stay tuned.